Well, hope that all of you are well and a good time. And this is the place I also try to come here for practice my English and make a video. And here is a vegetable field, and here is another vegetable field as well. It's a very quiet place, and it's really wonderful place. And some people are come here for exercising, walking, and explained and getting morning environment. Have a look beside of me. There is a small canal. So I'm going to near another field, another sand field. Have a look. There are so many butterflies on this field. Yes, it's morning time. It's winter season. When coming into season, we need to some heavy clothes, and we need to warm room. It's really quiet place, and I'm getting fresh air, and it's really big field behind of me. Have a look. Oh my goodness. So thank you very much for watching my videos here again.